In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Mailchimp subscription. Whether you are taking a break from email marketing, switching to another platform, or simply trying to manage your expenses more efficiently, knowing how to properly cancel or pause your Mailchimp subscription is important to avoid unexpected charges. In this guide, I will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way so you can confidently manage your account settings. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Mailchimp website. Once the homepage loads, sign in using your account credentials. Enter your email address and password carefully to access your dashboard, where all your campaigns, audiences, and account settings are managed. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile icon there. Click on it to open the account menu. This menu contains important options that allow you to manage your account settings, billing information, and subscription preferences. From the menu, select Account and Billing. This section is where you can view and manage all financial details related to your Mailchimp account, including your current plan and payment information. Once you are inside, look for the Settings option and click on it. A menu will appear with additional choices related to account management. From this list, select Manage My Plan. This will take you to the subscription management page, where you can make changes to your current plan or cancel your subscription entirely. On this page, you will see options that allow you to either pause or delete your account. These options are designed to give you flexibility depending on your situation. If you're not ready to fully leave the platform and simply want to stop billing temporarily, you can choose Pause Billing. This option allows you to retain your account data while preventing future charges, making it ideal if you plan to return later. If you decide that you no longer need the service at all, you can choose to permanently delete your account. This action will completely remove your subscription and associated data from Mailchimp. After selecting your preferred option, you may be asked to complete a few security steps to confirm your identity. This may include re-entering your password to ensure that the changes are being made by the account owner. If you choose to delete your account, Mailchimp will display important warnings about data loss. It is very important to read these carefully so you understand what information will be permanently removed before proceeding. Once you have reviewed everything and confirmed your decision, complete the final confirmation step. At this point, your subscription will be successfully canceled or paused, depending on the option you selected. And that's it. You have now successfully managed your Mailchimp subscription. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.